Night at 6:25. Documentary World. For cancer patients, nurses are best friends.
I'm not really nervous, I'm not scared.
When it does the scan, it'll tell you not to swallow, okay?
For elderly patients preferring to pass away at home, nurses are even family.
They get to know each other. It's like a friend, really.
Every patient deserves the best nurse looking after him and the best treatment.
Super Nurses. Tomorrow night at 9.
Hello and welcome to the Financial Report. I'm Emily Sue. Local shares edged up for the third straight session on the strength of mainland firms. The Hang Seng Index rose by 63 points to close at 23,523, with $53 billion worth of shares changing hands. China National Building Material was among the big gainers, jumping 3.2% to its highest closed in 3 months. Now for today's figures. China Mobile gained 45 cents, Tencent up 50 cents, CNBN up 24 cents. Ping An lost 50 cents, Sands China lost 80 cents, PetroChina up 10 cents, ICBC down 2 cents. Now let's take a look at Hong Kong dollar exchange rates. Is 7.75 to the US dollar, 13.28 to the pound, 7.61 to 100 Japanese yen, 10.49 to the euro, and 100 Hong Kong dollars gives you around 80 renminbi. And over in Europe, the London FTSE is trading 65 points higher. London gold is trading at $1,298 an ounce. And in Frankfurt, the DAX is trading 136 points higher, and in Paris, the CAC is up 63 points. That's the finance for Wednesday night. Join us for the main news after the break.
Coming up, main news and weather report.